welcome to the Alaskan Slime Sisters. I'm Olivia.
I'm Fathom.
And today guys, I have slime on my hands. Today we're going to be making...
Why did you
It was a
flick
tiny
it?
bit.
You flicked it in the
Okay, let
bag.
me continue. Today we're going to be trying to make our own version of a no glue butter slime. So, guys, this is real. I'm not lying, guys. Sometimes you watch a no glue video and it's like, soap, salt, freeze. And it did nothing. This is real. I've tried it a bunch of times and it's so fun. But
you keep
today...
flicking slime everywhere.
I'm sorry! I have it all over my hands. The reason we have slime on our hands is because we just made a video of making clear slime. It's not clear right now because I played with it a ton, but it's the best. You should go check it out.
It's really awesome.
Okay, so let's get started. First,
We're going to pick
a clay, an air dry
our
clay,
colors.
not potter's clay. That would work terribly. Okay, so I'm gonna pick any. Guys, we're using air dry clay, and this works. I promise
I want
you.
green.
And also soft clay, I think would work.
Ooh,
So.
I love this color.
I'm gonna do purpley pink. Pink. Purple. I'm kidding. I don't want that purple. I want this cute purple.
That looks like pink. Just a darker pink.
Okay, whatever. I'm doing three air dry clays because I want a big slime. I like to have a big slime.
Okay, I'm going to do... This green.
Here we go. I'm doing these three colors together. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, once you have...
This green.
Oh, she doesn't know the colors yet.
And this yellow.
Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is get all your clays, open them up. You might need scissors because this is a little bit hard to open. These stupid pedigree.
Okay, there's one.
Don't worry if it's stiff. You'll see what we're
It's
going to
okay. It'll work. Even if it's really stiff. Even if it's almost dry.
Yeah, but we got to hurry before they do dry. Guys, this slime will dry out if you leave it out for a long time, but it won't. Like, you know how air dry clay dries in about 10 minutes, like really fast. This won't do that, but it will still dry out.
Now mix
Like a
them
normal
together,
slime.
right?
Yes, you're gonna want to mix them all together. You can do whatever pattern to make it look pretty if you want, but it's not gonna last, so don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna do these like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and like do a swirly. Guys, this is not. You don't even need to do this. You can just mix it, but this just makes it cute. Like, this is not fun to play with. It's stiff.
It's not that fun.
It's not a slime, in my opinion. It's not. It's clay, but still. It's super pretty. I'm going to leave it like this for a little bit. Okay. If you have any extra slime, you can put some of this in it. It'll also work. Clear slime. No store-bought slime. Do not put store-bought slime. But this is a no-glue slime recipe. So, butter slime recipe. So, we're not going to be using any slime. So, get some water. Make a little hole. That is so pretty. I love this. Wow. Guys, this is so cool. I really like this. Okay. Yeah, put it like that. It doesn't need to be like that if you don't want it, but you're going to pour some water on it. You don't need to pour water on it if you have like a sink, which most people have, because
we don't have.
we don't have a sink out in the wild, so we are just gonna use.
It's just falling out.
So, guys, this may seem like it went terribly wrong. Your hands are sticky. Do not
It's
quit.
wet.
Don't quit, guys.
Keep kneading.
Keep kneading. This will work eventually, I promise you. It doesn't even take that long to work. It's just a very good recipe. Okay, dab up the water. It's already becoming much softer.
And funner.
More fun to play with.
More fun to play with.
Yeah, because the other stuff is just like stiff. And
this
is getting better. Keep adding more water. And keep kneading it in like this. And you can add however much water until it feels the right consistency to you. Guys, my tongue's not doing well today. At all. Even in the clear slime video. So, you can keep adding water, but don't add too much water because it probably will, actually not probably, it's happened to me, it will melt.
All the way.
Yes, and it would become a soppy, liquidy mess
And
that you cannot fix because you
and
cannot
you can't
activate.
get off the counter.
And you cannot activate clay. You could put it in some glue and dissolve it into some glue and then
activate that.
activate the glue to make a different buttery slime. But if you don't have glue, there's no point in this recipe. I mean, if you have glue, there's no point in this recipe. Okay, guys, this looks pretty bad right now, but it's not, promise you. You just keep kneading. It'll make it a lot softer and nicer to play with. It feels just like a real butter slime.
Yeah.
You won't even know it doesn't have glue in it. I've never really seen any recipes like this. They always put lotion in, but don't put lotion in it because it will make it softer, but it will make the colors bleed onto your hands sometimes. But most of the time it does. It's happened to me every time. So I use water now, and it makes it so much nicer. Okay, I want a little bit more because this is still just a little bit too stiff for me. So I'm gonna, whoa. There's a lot of water on our table right now.
Yeah, it's drenched.
As table, we mean a piece of wood. Yeah.
It is a piece of wood.
And also, it just rained, and the moss, everything over there is wet, and we're dry because we built a shelter. You probably have already seen it. I'm not gonna lift it up because my hands are super wet right now. But this is pretty nice.
Mine definitely needs more water.
Yeah. It will need water as you go. Just keep adding it in until it's the right consistency for you. If you even liked the consistency before, you can keep it as that.
Yeah.
Guys, this color's pretty, but not pretty enough for me. I'm gonna add one more packet.
Yeah,
And
I
know
don't
what
really like this. I was thinking of changing
Add another
it, but
yellow.
I don't.
Do that one.
That yellow?
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna do maybe a white. Like this white. What about pinky white? Like that. I think we're gonna go with this. Guys, these packages are weird. They like hold they don't let the thing dry out. It only dries out just a teeny
I'm
bit.
gonna be afraid that it'll ruin it.
It won't ruin it. It's the same material. You just gotta add more water. Adding more clay will make you need to add more water. So, beware. I just hope this lightens the color. I mean, white would have been good, but I wanted it.
This lightened it some. That's for sure. It didn't mix in well.
Yeah, it mixes in just fine, but I mean, yeah, this is
Definitely
definitely a
more
little bit
water.
lighter.
Whoa,
This is such a good recipe.
Get out!
I'm gonna need a little bit more water though. I don't want it too sticky because then it will stick to the container, but I want it not too stiff. This sounds really weird. Guys, weird ASMR time. Ready?
I don't think I like that.
Yeah. Some people do.
Gross. Sounds like someone like farting. Or
Okay,
like it
but-
being really bad.
Okay, we don't need to talk about that. Guys, this slime is super nice. It may not seem like a slime, guys, but this is amazing. It makes the best swirls, guys. Watch. What is in this? Oh, it's a piece of leaf. Okay, so let's do this a few times, like so, till it has these like grooves on it. And then do this to impress your friends. I'm kidding. Just to make it pretty. Guys, this is the most impressive swirl. Have you ever seen a swirl like that? It's super great. I love this. It's so amazing.
It's so much fun.
And it doesn't like, it's not like, it doesn't behave like a real slime. It doesn't like spread out. I mean, it will over time, but it actually kind of gets a little glistening. And then it's, if you leave it out though, it will dry. I'm promising you that. So don't leave it out. I mean, you can leave it out for maybe like 5 minutes. It won't dry out, but if it
You
does
can
dry
always
out, you
add
can just
more
add
water.
more water.
More water. Always fixes it.
Yeah. So this is a fixable slime. Like, you don't need more glue to fix it or anything else to fix it.
Just water.
And most people
And that's-
have water,
A lot of people have water.
except for people in Africa. Maybe they have water, but I don't know. I don't think they do.
think they have to buy it.
Well, it's so dry there. Okay, anyways. Definitely recommend this recipe, guys. We made this up by ourselves. There might be a recipe out there somewhere that's like this. We just never know about it. So don't quote me on this, but I think this is a really good recipe. I do not recommend adding any sort of what was I gonna say? Lotion to it, because it will bring out the color onto your hands, and then it won't be fun to play with anymore because you gotta wash your hands every time. Even though you still should wash your hands, but it won't be like my hands are red because I just made a red butter slime, and yeah, my hands are now red.
That would not be good.
You guys definitely need to try this recipe if you have any air dry clay, because this is super good. Ow, why did I just touch myself with it? Didn't even hurt.
Why'd you say ow?
I don't know, I'm weird, okay? Bye guys, and thanks for watching. This slime is really good, so I recommend you try this recipe, right Fathom?
Yeah, definitely. This is like the
Definitely
greatest thing.
like and subscribe so you can see more good recipes and just funny
Videos.
content and us making slimes that are pretty bad. Like the fixing Crazy Aaron's putty.
That was
You never
really
want
bad.
to watch that one. I mean, it might be funny for you.
But it
But
was
for
not
us,
funny for us.
It
was not.
dyed this sweater, like right there, blue. My jacket, blue. My pants, blue. And my slime went terribly. How did your slime go?
Really bad. It was stiff.
Yeah.
And it
pink.
was pink. It was ugly.
Yeah, it was not even like...
It wasn't even a pretty
It's not
pink.
pink, really. It was like
It was like,
dirty pink.
ew.
Like
That's disgusting.
what color? We gotta find a color like it.
I
I don't know if there's a color to describe this. It was so bad. Bye, guys. See you